So the grind don't stop, we're crawling in Sicily.
What's up, ATC gang? Happy Sunday. Let's get into it. So it's 6:24 on the Sunday before school started. So that would have been August 20th. And I just wanted to show y'all how we got ready and what our routine was. So we went through all of Caden's new clothes. If you haven't seen the back to school haul, I'll go ahead and link it in the iCards above. Caden picked out his clothes. I'm extra, so I had to have matching underwear. So once he got his shoes and everything together, this is what he decided he would wear for his first day to 7th grade. So proud of my baby. Shout out to all the back to school kids. Once we got our outfit picked out for the next day, we went ahead and hung up his clothes for the rest of the week because I'm just trying to get more organized. Comment down below, what are you doing to organize your household? You going for a walk? Look up. Say hi.
Hi. Is it a guy?
Yeah.
Huh?
We're going to go for a little walk. And then we need to go to the store. I want to get some stuff so Caden can make pizza. And we have to grab... Oop, almost fell. And we have to grab some stuff for dinner.
I like crab.
Crab?
Yeah, I heard it.
I ain't said nothing about crab.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Tomorrow's the first day of school. You ready?
A little bit.
Look at all the hair in his face. How do you walk around like this? Pull it back. Kids. About a good 30 minutes running around outside so my babies could enjoy the last night of summer, and then we hopped in the car and headed to our local Aldi. We love to go in here because we can really stretch our dollar, and so this is where we get these little pizza kits for Caden to pack for his school lunch. So we're going to be in here for just a quick couple minutes and grab some salad and other things that we need to get us through the night and for my son's lunch for the week. Put it in the cart. I don't know why Daniel wanted peppers, y'all. Who knows? Maybe he's used to seeing me use them. So then we grabbed some of these little bougie tomatoes that my boyfriend likes for salad. I don't know what the difference is. I'm used to the regular ones, but whatever. Then we went on and we found some of the pizza kit stuff that I was telling y'all about earlier. These things are pretty good. After that, we had to stop by Wally World because you know your girl is last minute and I was getting school supplies the night before. Yes, don't judge me, judge your mama. And surprisingly, they had everything we needed except for, I think, composition notebooks. Why they cut the composition notebooks in half this year, who knows, but that's what they did. So we didn't get those.
Like two magnets, we are drawn to each other. You just know how to push all my buttons. Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am mad.
Y'all, everybody and their mama was in this store. Like, why are y'all last minute? It's giving ghetto. Don't be like me. Do what you have to do ahead of time. Why all these people was in here all in my way? Like, it was just too much. Never again will I wait till the night before to buy school supplies. I don't even know what I was thinking for real. So we grabbed some sausage, some string beans, and a couple things so I could go ahead and make dinner. All in all, I think we spent close to about $60, $62 or $3 for dinner and then school supplies. I guess that's not too bad, but whatevs. So we're going to go ahead and head home and continue with our night. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys, and I like to make content like this to show you that if I can make it through hospitalizations and sickle cell crisis, you can make it with whatever you have going on. So if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, because we love to have you. So y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this little pasta in the bag situation, I would never, still like to make my stuff from scratch now. I think I'm fancy. But look, for a quick school night meal idea, it was not bad. It came with everything you needed. You just pop these 2 little sauce packages in there, and I want to say dinner was done in about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, y'all. Let's get on to making these biscuits. Okay, y'all, so I think it was just being Sierra that had these little air fryer liners. I don't know, maybe I'm doing them wrong. I still end up with grease all over my air fryer. I don't know. So anywho, I went ahead and popped these little fried plantain things in the air fryer. Would not recommend them. My son came in, so I was like, yeah, go ahead and feel your mama cooking. So we headed upstairs after dinner was ready, and I began to retwist his locks. Y'all, his hair is growing so nicely. And if you're still here, thank you, love you, I appreciate you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. So after I got my son's hair nice and retwisted and looking good for school, my other baby came in and joined us, and we watched Spider-Man. All right, y'all, that's our back to school night routine. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take things one thing, one challenge at a time. Together, we're going to erase the stigma surrounding sickle cell anemia. All right, guys, be blessed. Bye.
Don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drops, according to CICELY. If they like that shirt, subscribe, do that for CICELY. Till the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top,